Her, her agency said it was false, then they apologized. Imagine casually talking about your family on television. You mentioned that your family has spent four generations in medicine. Sound harmless, right? But then viewers start digging into your family history, and suddenly your agency is forced to apologize. That is exactly what happened to South Korean actress Ha Young. And this story get much more complicated than a normal celebrity controversy. Ha Young recently appeared on the Korean variety show Problem Child in House, where she talked about her family's medical background. She explained that medicine has been four generation family tradition from her great grandfather and grandfather to her father and older sister. But one detail immediately caught people's attention. Ha Young said her great grandfather had studied medicine in Japan, later opened a Western style clinic in Seoul, and dad had even treated Emperor Gojong. The man she was referring to was Dr. Ah Sang Ho, and this is where the story took a dramatic turn. After the broadcast, online users began looking into historical records connected to Ha Sang Ho. They discovered that his name appeared on a 1916 list of council members for an organization known as the Daejeong Mokoi, which has been associated with pro-Japanese activities during Korea's colonial period. And suddenly, what had started as a story about a proud family medical legacy became a historical controversy. Ha Young's agency, Bistus Entertainment, responded on August 10, and their first response was very strong. They said the allegations about Ha Sang Ho's alleged pro-Japanese activities were groundless. Case closed? Not quite. Because just one day later, the agency completely changed its position. On August 11, Bistus Entertainment released another statement. This time, the agency admitted that there was, in fact, an existing historical record listing Ha Sang Ho as council member of the organization in 1916, and the agency apologized. They specifically acknowledged that they had responded too quickly by calling the reports groundless without conducting enough verifications. That reversal is what made the controversy explode even further, because now the story wasn't only about Ha Young's family history, it was also about how quickly an entertainment agency responded to a sensitive historical issue and then had to publicly correct itself. Ha Young herself was not accused of taking part in any of these historical activities. In fact, according to her agency, the actress is deeply troubled that her comments unintentionally led to the controversy. The agency also said Ha Young would approach her future activities with a more cautious and humble attitude. And there's an important context here. For international K-drama fans, Korea's relationship with Japan can sometimes be difficult to understand without knowing the country's history. Korea was under Japanese colonial rule from 1910 to 1945, and discussion about individuals who were allegedly involved in pro-Japanese organization during that period can still be extremely sensitive in South Korea today. So when a celebrity family history becomes connected to that period, the reaction can go far beyond ordinary celebrity gossip, and that is why this story has attracted so much attention. A simple television conversation about a family's medical legacy unexpectedly opened the door to a much more complicated chapter of history. And within just one day, an agency went from saying the allegations were false to admitting that a historical record did exist and say sorry for its rushed response. The biggest question now isn't simply what happened almost a century ago. It's how Young and her agency will handle the fallout from here. Because in the world of Korean entertainment, sometimes the most unexpected controversy doesn't come from what a celebrity does today, but from what their family history reveals about yesterday. What do you think? Should celebrities be held responsible for controversial action committed by ancestor generation ago? Let me know in the comment. And if you want more stories from the world of K-drama, K-pop and Korean entertainment, subscribe.